everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss the Facebook error session expired. This error occurred due to many reasons. One of the reasons is that you have logged in your Facebook account into many devices. For example, you have logged your Facebook account into your laptop or any of the mobile earlier. If you log out your Facebook account from that device, then this problem can be solved easily. If the problem persists again, then you can log out your account from your recent device or you can log in again. If the problem is still occurring, then you can click on settings. In settings, you have to click on apps. In apps, you have to search for Facebook. If you scroll down, you can easily find Facebook app. After you have find Facebook app, you have to click on that. After that, you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache from your Facebook app and check again or log in again to your Facebook account. If the problem is again, then you can also do the same by clearing the data. If the problem persists, then you can also restart your device and turn it on again, so to check whether the problem has solved or not. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.